You know what quieras means? To love. To love. I love you, te quiero, or te amo, te quiero. So we will work a lot with the heart. Okay? First part. Open, close, open, close. Yen, right? And 3/4 turn. Facing there. Okay? Again, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Left, facing forward. Only one time. Open, close. Watch. Yemenite. Turn and slide. Slide and cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn and slide and cross. Again. Forward, 7 and 1, 2. Yemenite. Turn. Do the same. Please open, close. Yemenite. Turn and slide and cross. The ending is like we do this in the beginning. Open, close, twice. Open, close, Yemenite, turn. So, if you realize this is like a cross. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Now 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, slide. Open, close, Yemenite, turn, and slide. And finish with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Second part. Salsa. Sounds terrible, no? Okay. Cross and cha-cha-cha. Cross and watch. Miss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is a pas de bourrée. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you cross it, like 1, 2, 3, 4 would be nicer. Okay? So, cross and cha-cha-cha. Cross and cha-cha-cha. And 1, 2, 3, cross cha-cha. Cross and cha-cha-cha. Cross and cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, chorus part. Right and heart. Left and heart. Pivot and turn. Yemenite and Yemenite. Again, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. Salsa. Box and sway and turn. Box. 2, 1 and 2. Okay, we have a small transition. Open, close. 1, 2, 3. Open, close, and 1, 2, 3. Pivot, turn, pivot, and turn. Okay? Is this Alexis? She's my assistant. You can see? Yeah. So remember, it's very alike. So the chorus part is almost the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Salsa, salsa, or something like this. Good.